In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Fresha to Facebook. A simple guide that will take just about 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started with the first step. First, you need to head over to Fresha for Business. Just type in https://www.fresha.com/for-business in your browser, or click on the link if you're following along from a digital guide. Fresha for Business is the platform designed specifically for business users to manage their bookings, services, and much more. Once you're on the Fresha for Business page, your next move is to click on the Login button. This should be quite easy to spot. After clicking Login, you'll see an option that says For Business. You will want to click on this to proceed. This clears any confusion if you're navigating Fresha for personal use versus business use, ensuring you're in the right place for what we're trying to accomplish today. The next step involves the sign in process. Here you'll click on Sign In using Google. This feature is a lifesaver for those of us who have multiple accounts and passwords to remember. Signing in with Google streamlines the login process using your Google account as your authentication method. Select your Google account from the list provided if you're already signed into multiple Google accounts on your device. Make sure to choose the one that you want associated with your Fresha business account. This keeps your professional and personal activities streamlined and organized. Now, moving forward to your Fresha profile, go to your profile photo. This usually would be in the top right corner of the screen. The profile photo is your gateway to accessing personal settings and information on the platform. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. Here, select Profile. This will take you to your main profile page, where you can manage details about your business, view bookings, and more. Get ready to integrate your business with your social media presence. You'll find an option to Set Up Now under Social Links on your profile page. Social links are a fantastic way to engage with your customers outside of the booking platform, offering them a glimpse into your business culture, promotions, and customer experiences on social media platforms like Facebook. Click on Set Up Now, and you'll be directed to a section where you can add your social media links. Go ahead and add your Facebook profile link in the designated field. This is the moment where the connection between Fresha and Facebook begins, allowing you to enhance your business's online presence and reach a wider audience by linking directly to your Facebook page. After you've entered your Facebook profile URL, it's crucial not to forget the final step, saving your changes. Click on the Save button to ensure your Facebook profile link is successfully linked to your Fresha account. This action confirms and solidifies the connection, making sure that clients and potential new customers can find you on Facebook through your Fresha profile. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully connected your Fresha account to Facebook, creating a bridge between your service bookings and your social media outreach. This connection not only helps in building a stronger online presence, but also assists in attracting new clients through the power of social media. Remember, linking your Fresha account to social platforms like Facebook is a step towards creating a comprehensive online profile that showcases your services, promotions, and what makes your business unique. Take advantage of this to engage with your clients, share updates, and grow your business. Thanks for watching. Now go ahead and enjoy the benefits of a connected presence on Fresha and Facebook.